Here we come to the elevator at this apartment building. It's got the... Did I just hear a notice chime?
No, you heard a innovation new chime.
Oh, you're right.
Ugh.
My hearing just isn't what it used to be. Here it is. Oh, it's got an inner door. What the? Wow, so much for something old and interesting. Screw it, I'll give it a ride. This thing is teeny. There are 3 people in this elevator.
There are indeed 3 people.
What's the capacity to 7 max?
1,500.
Oh, that usually has.
How much did you eat for dinner tonight?
I may have had too much of that pizza.
I don't know. One too many slices. We're gonna have to kick you off of this thing.
This reminds me of the elevator in my apartment.
Yeah, right. Same size.
There's a vintage Westinghouse black button in his apartment.
God, I don't even know. I can't remember what Sam said mine was.
It's a 211. It's a Dover modded bike. Oh, it's a Dovis.
A Dovis?
A Dovis.
77 Quaker. He lives at 77 Quaker Ridge Road, New York.
Oh my God. What was that? One of Sussex's videos
Yeah.
or something? Chewbacca. Does this have a Chewbacca motor? All right. Anyway, that will be it. Yeah, basically that.